you like using watercolor pans but find it's really annoying when you're trying to mist them or wet them down and scrub them with a brush to initially get that watercolor to kind of blossom and lift and be able to use it? That's a problem that's common with all people that enjoy using watercolor pans. But the thing is, it's the easiest thing to really carry with you if you're going to travel anywhere with your watercolors. So SoHo's come up with a solution to that problem. It's the SoHo Easy Lift Artist Semi-Moist Watercolors. It's a pan set of 36 colors, which is a lot in a very small pan like this. It comes in a very handy tin. It's designed to be space saving. So you've got 36 whole pans in this small tin, but a really large mixing area in the lid. And 26 of them are your traditional kind of colors that you're used to having in most any watercolor set. But then they've done something different. They've added 5 fluorescents. So if you're doing some pop art, maybe you're doing some urban sketching and you're outside a donut shop that's got neon signs, you've got some colors for that. Or if you're interested in metallics, giving it a little shine and pop, there's 5 really lovely metallics there, with kind of gold, copper, some blues, a really nice green, that kind of just give you a little touch of fun wherever you want to put it. Now, I tend to use watercolor pans when I travel and go places, so I decided I would take this to a dog show with me. And outside of the Frenchy ring, I was sitting sketching and decided to add a little color to it. And I really, really enjoyed, how much you just barely wet it and it pulls the color right up, which is something that never happens with pans. But it had some really nice traditional tones. But then I tried putting a little bit of kind of the shine and pop in there just to see what it would look like, and really had fun using it. So let's say the proof is in the pudding. Let's show you how easily these lift. Now, this is a brand new unopened set till now. I've not misted these. This is just the poured whole pans right here. So let's pick a nice kind of bright color. That's how quick you can pull paint up. That was just wetting it down, and that's just an olive green. Let's try something bright like an orange. No scrubbing, just wetting a couple strokes over it and going, and you're getting color like that. With the swatches that I did when we put it on the website, you can see the color is super beautiful and vibrant. This is used on big, heavy, thirsty cotton watercolor paper, and it shows up very, very nicely. But it's something that professionals could use, students could use. I mean, even if you've got a child in your family who insists on wanting to paint with you, this set is still perfectly priced for anybody. It's not something that's super expensive, but you can get some really amazing results with it. So the SoHo Easy Lift because it lights right up and gives you beautiful, brilliant color. Artist's watercolor pan set of 36.